Okay, these were some multiplication sums. And before that, we had done some rules also to how do we multiply. So how do we multiply? We first multiply the numbers as a whole number. We just consider them as whole numbers, like 9 into 9. Just ignore the decimals first, okay? So just multiply the numbers, whatever number you get. And then in the product, leaving those places from the ones place side, okay? And you just see at how many places, decimal places, there is a decimal count. And accordingly, you put a decimal, right? But only thing you need to be careful is you must always count from the ones place. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's do. So this is 28, right? 28. Okay, let's do some examples. Okay, take 0.2 multiply by 6. Please do.
Oh my God, your answer.
Yes, one by one. I'll ask each one of you.
Okay.
Please. Okay, now see, first step is to just multiply the numbers. Just consider them as whole numbers. Okay, so 6 into 2 is 12. And now you can see your decimal place is after one digit from here, right? So same way, in the product also leaving one place from here, you will put the decimal. So here the decimal is after one place. So from here also you will put the decimal after one place. Yes, is it Neha? This is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now do the others also. Harshit, give me the second answer.
Ma'am, I got 36.8.
36.8. Okay. Neha, is it the same answer?
Yes,
Others
ma'am.
also must please check your answers, okay? And if there is some change, then you must speak up so that we can check again. Okay. Next is 2.71 into 5.
Oh my God. Ma'am, can I tell your answer?
Just a second, let others also do.
And I got the answer for third one.
Yes, beta. Yes, tell me this answer. Adya, Adya, give me the third answer. Give me the third answer, Adya. Ravesh, give me the fourth answer.
And the fourth answer is 80.4.
Okay. Adya, what is the third answer? For this, I'm writing here. Hurry up, Adya.
He posted the answer in the chat.
13.55. Is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
I got the fifth answer.
Yes, beta. Okay, Neha, what is the fifth answer?
0.35.
0.35. Good, very nice.
I'm also got the same.
Very good. Very good, Bhavesh. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
do this, multiply this.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am. Sixth one.
Okay,
I'm also finished.
okay, tell me, Harshit, what is the sixth answer?
Ma'am, 844.08.
844.08. Okay. Okay, good, beta. Next. Neha, give me the answer. Next answer.
I think it's Bhavesh.
Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, I got 1.72.
1.72.
I'm
Okay.
also got the same.
Okay. Good,
Ma'am,
Neha.
I also got the same.
Very good, beta. That's correct. Okay, let's do another question. Okay. Now, you know how do we find the area of a rectangle?
Yes, ma'am.
How do we find?
Ma'am, length into breadth. 1/2 into like.
Ma'am,
What is
ma'am,
the
the area
formula?
of rectangle.
Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle.
Ma'am, 2 into L plus B.
No, that's a perimeter. Area is always length into breadth. Okay. Neha gave the correct answer. Good, Neha.
L in 2 plus L into B.
Area is always length into the breadth. The one that you are saying 2 into L plus B, that is the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter means sum of all sides of a rectangle. Okay. Okay, beta. So this is the difference. This is the perimeter. This is the area. I'm asking about
Okay, ma'am.
the area. I'm asking about area of the rectangle. Okay, let's take a question now. 1 second. Please write down. Find the area of a rectangle. Find the area of a rectangle. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is find the area of a rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is this and breadth is 3 centimeters and breadth is 3 centimeters.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Find the area of a rectangle whose length is
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
okay. Okay, but have you written the steps? Have you written the steps or just directly writing the answer?
Ma'am, I didn't write the steps. I'll write it.
Until
Ma'am,
you
it's
write
a
the
word.
steps, you will not get full marks.
Ma'am, it's a word problem.
Yes, it's a word problem. So first you have to write what is the length given. What is the
area
given,
and
what is the formula?
to write their formulas, right?
Yes, very good. So for your first statement will be the length of the rectangle. Second will be the breadth of the rectangle. Then you have to write area of a rectangle is equal to length into the breadth. And then you will solve. Okay. Okay. So first you have to write what is given. So what is the first statement? Length of the rectangle is equal to 5.7 centimeters. Then breadth of the rectangle is, oh, my OneNote is giving problem today. Your next statement is breadth of the rectangle is equal to 3 centimeters. And always check whether both the dimensions are in the same unit. Okay, that also you have to check. Now here we can see 5.7 is centimeters, 3 is again centimeters. Okay, so that means we can multiply. And suppose if one of these is meters and one other one is centimeters, then what you need to do? Then what will you do?
Ma'am, will
convert, ma'am.
Very good. Then you need to convert. So the very first thing is that you need to make them into same units. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So breadth of rectangle is equal to 3 centimeters. Then you will write here area of rectangle. Area of
I
rectangle
got my answer.
area is length into the breadth. Okay, like this. Now under length you will write 5.7 centimeters. Under length, please write 5.7 centimeters multiplied by breadth is 3 centimeters, and then you write your final answer.
And can you say the answer?
Okay.
And the answer is 17.1 centimeter.
Centimeter square. Area is always in centimeter square. Now, how do you get the centimeter square? I'll show you.
We will like centimeter.
Your answer you multiplied
square meter.
You multiplied these two numbers, so you have got this 17.1. Now area is always given as centimeter square. Why do we write centimeter square? Because centimeter multiplied by centimeter. Same number you are dividing 2 times means it becomes square. Okay? When you multiply centimeter into centimeter, it becomes centimeter square. Okay? Yes, children. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So this you have to keep in mind. This centimeter square, the writing of unit is very, very important here. Okay, you have special marks for this in the question. Okay, let's take another question. Okay, now see children, whenever we multiply decimal number with 10, 100, 1000, okay, it's very easy to multiply, is it? When we multiply any number, forget about the rational decimal number, multiplication with 10, 100, and 1000. Now, suppose if I have some number, say for example, I have a number 5278.
I know that.
Multiply
I know that method. Like
this
if
with 10, what will I get?
we will get 527.8.
No, I haven't put decimal sign there, decimal point there. I've just written the number 5278 multiplied by 10. So what will be your answer? That will be
0 at the last.
0.8.
Yes, so you will just add a 0 at the end. 5278. When you multiply this with 10, so you get your answer as this. Right? Okay. When I multiply the same number with 100, when I multiply this with say 100, then my answer will be as many zeros I have here. Okay, that many zeros will come at the end. Okay. Okay, children. And same way when I multiply this with 1000, my OneNote is giving me trouble today. So same way when I'm multiplying with 1000, I will get 3 zeros at the end. Right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now this was just multiplying the numbers. Now we'll come to the decimal point part. Five two seven eight multiplied by 1000. Then you get 52752. Oh God. This is 5278 and 3 zeros, right? Okay, now suppose if I have some decimal point here, okay, like this, 5.278. I have some decimal point here. Now, if I have to put a decimal point, now where will be my decimal point when I'm multiplying with 10? So I will just leave three decimal places from the ones place. My decimal point will come here. Okay. Same way here also. After three decimal places, my decimal point will be here. Again here, after three decimal places, my point will be here. Okay, you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So how can we write this? If I have to rewrite this again like this, I can write it simply like this, 52.78. And this will be 527.8. I can write because after zeros have no value. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right? I can write like this. So it's very easy to multiply any number, decimal number, any whole number also, any decimal number also with 10, 100 and 1000 and even 10,000 lakhs and so on, so on. Okay. So you just have to put that many zeros at the end. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take some questions like this. Okay. 1.3 into 10. Please do this. 1.3 into 10. Now 1.3 into 10, just ignore the decimal point first. 13 into 10 will be 130. And then your decimal point will be after one place. So after one place is here. That means your answer is 13.
30.
Okay. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
30's next is 36.8 into 10. Okay. Now just for the time being, just ignore the decimal point from here. So just take 368 as a number, multiplying with 10. 368 and 10 here. Okay, this becomes 3680. And then you have decimal point after one place here. Okay, so decimal point after one place here. So the answer is 368. Get it? Okay. Similarly, you have 153.7 multiplied by 10. So just multiply the numbers first. Multiply only the numbers first. And then the second step is to put the decimal point, counting from the ones place. Here. Okay. 168.07 into 10. Bhavesh will tell me the answer. Bhavesh. Bhavesh, tell me
Ma'am,
the answer.
ma'am, 1 second.
Okay, never mind. You can do, but tell me this. Tell me the fourth answer.
Fourth or fifth?
Fourth.
And the answer is 1680. 1000. Sorry, ma'am. It's after zero add 8, add 7, like 7.0.
Like
Point
this.
zero,
And
point
then,
zero, point
okay.
zero. That's zero over there.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Right?
got a different answer.
We got a different answer. What you get? What you got? See here. The decimal point should be here. Here you have two decimal places. Yes, Bhavesh, your decimal point should be here.
Yes, ma'am, I got that.
Okay.
Same, ma'am, I got the same answer.
So this is like this. Okay, Bhavesh, your decimal point should be after two places. Okay. Tell me this one now, Bhavesh. Bhavesh, tell me the fifth one.
1 second, I'm doing it.
Tell me this. No calculation is required here.
And the answer is 3.11.
Forget about the point. Don't put point first. First, just tell me the number. What do you get when you multiply these two numbers? Ignore the decimal now.
We will get 31, 311,
311 from here.
11, and 2 zeros. We'll
311 from this number and two zeros from here. This is what we will do. Now, where will you put the decimal point?
after 2 zeros.
After two zeros, that means leaving points from here. Places from here after two zeros. But
After 0,
here
we'll
you have just one decimal place. Yes, tell me fast.
yes, ma'am.
Here you just have one decimal place, no? So where will you put the point?
In between the 2 zeros.
So leaving one's place, you will put a zero. Okay? This is the way leaving one's place. Okay? Because we always start counting from the one's place.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't be so confused. Okay? If you have any doubts, please ask Bhavesh.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Harshit, give me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 156100.
156100. Good. And where is the decimal point?
Oh, from the ones place, move after one digit.
So leaving one's place. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Adya now. Adya, give me the answer for this. You can write in the chat box. Neha, tell me this. 43.07 into 100.
Ma'am, it's 4,307. It's 4,307.
And then two zeros also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
and the point will be between 7 and 0.
Okay.
Ma'am, which is also known as, it's
So
just
your answer is
4,003.
yes, you said. Okay. Bhavesh, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, we will keep point in bit. Ma'am, the answer is 50, and we'll keep the point in between 5 and 0.
Okay. Yes. Are there? Your answer is correct. Yes, what are you saying?
The answer is 50, and we'll keep the point in between 5 and 0.
Very good. Good, Bhavesh. Okay, tell me this now. Bhavesh, tell me this. 10th question.
The answer is 3000, and we'll keep, and the answer is 30, ma'am.
Answer is
30.
30. So your decimal point will be leaving two places from the one side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Harshit,
Ma'am. Ma'am.
yes, say.
After multiplying 8 into 10, we'll get 80 answer, ma'am.
8. Okay, then your decimal point will be
Wow. From the ones digit, two places.
from one's place like this. Okay, good. Okay, next, Neha. Yes, we have
Ma'am, 900.00.
900,
0.00.
900.00.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Oh, sorry.
9 multiplied by 100 is 900. Then your decimal point should be just leaving one place. No,
Yes,
here, like this. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's take some more questions. So these were some questions by multiplying by 10, 100, 1000. Okay. I hope you
Yes,
are understanding.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do some more practice of questions where you have one decimal number multiplied by another decimal number. Okay. So this is 2.5 multiplied by 0.3. Now you have decimal point in both the numbers. Okay. Now tell me, Bhavish, tell me the answer. 2 point. First, just ignore the decimals and just multiply the numbers. 25 into 3. Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay. Just a second. Let
I
Bhavish
also
answer.
got my.
Yes, Bhavish, what is 25 into 3? What is
Ma'am, the
20?
answer is ma'am, the answer is 75, and we'll keep the point of after 75. Means the answer is 0.75.
0.75. Okay, so your see you have a decimal point leaving one place here after one digit here, and here you have decimal point after one digit. Okay, so in total you have two places, one here and one here. Okay, so leaving two
Okay, ma'am.
places from the one's place, you will put decimal point here. Okay, you will leave two digits from here. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
why two? Because one is here and one other one is here. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
1 and 2. So 1 and 2. Get it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I get it.
Okay, so next is 51.7 multiplied by 0.1. Okay, Harshit will tell me this.
Ma'am, after multiplying 517 multiplied by 1, we'll get 517.
517, and then the decimal will be
After 2 digits,
after 2 digits. That means what will be the number then?
5.17.
Very good. Okay, take the next number. 0.2 multiplied with 316.8. Neha.
Mom, I didn't do it yet. I'll just do it. Mom, the answer is 63.36.
63.36. Okay, so you have decimal point after increases here. Good. Good, Neha. Next is 1.3 into 3.1. Adya, give the answer for this. You can write in the chat box. Okay. Next is Bhavesh. Bhavesh, give me the answer for this. 0.5 multiplied by 0.05.
And the answer will be 25. And ma'am, and we'll keep the point after like two. Like the answer is 0.025, ma'am. 0.025, ma'am.
So that means your decimal point will be leaving 3 places from the ones place. 1, 2, 2 places here and 1. So that's in total 3 places. So 1, 2 and 3. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let me check Abdiya's answer. 1.69. Okay. Is it 1.69? Children, please check.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I got 5.03.
Abdiya,
4.03. 4.03.
okay. Abdiya, please check your answer.
Ma'am, Arshit was telling right, ma'am. I also got the same.
Yes. Okay. This is not 13 into 13. This is 13 into 31. So that's 4.06. Okay. Make a correction. Okay. So next question is 11.2 multiplied by 0.15. Okay. This is Harshit. Harshit, tell me the answer for this. 11.2 into 0.15.
Ma'am, after multiplying 112 and 15, we'll get 1680.
1680. Very good. And your decimal will be there.
Leaving one from one digit, 3 digits.
Very good. Good, Harshit. Okay. Next is Neha. Neha, give me the answer for the 7th question.
Mom, I got 0.0214.
0.0214. Okay. That's good. Good, Neha. Okay, next is okay, Bhavesh, give me the answer for this. Question number 8.
1 second.
And Harshit, you give me the answer for the 9th one. And Neha, you will give me the answer for the 10th one.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am, for the 9th one.
Okay, 1 second. Adya will give me the answer for 11th one. Okay. Okay, tell me this one. This was for Harshit.
9th one, ma'am.
This,
Ma'am, I
okay.
got my answer for
1 second. Tell me the 8th one first. Who is given the 8th question? Bhavesh.
ma'am, it's 10.5525.
10.5525. Okay. This only, no? 25. Yes. Okay, beta, that's correct. Very good, Bhavesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Harshit, you tell me the next.
Ma'am, 1.0101.
Very good. Good. Neha, give me the answer. Next.
Ma'am, 110.011.
Very good, Neha. Okay. Next is Adya. Adya. Hurry up, Adya. Yes, that is 16.38. Okay. Okay. Good. Have all got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do some more different questions. Let's take a statement question now. So, children, the time is over. Class time is over now. We'll do some statement questions in the next class. Okay? Right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please practice these questions. Okay? Please practice all these questions, these type of questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Twitter, thank you for today. Thank you
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
joining. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you, better. You too.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.